Hey my babies, welcome back to another video. So guys, I have a basic makeup look for you, and we're just gonna start off using this aloe vera smoothing mist. I'm gonna spray that all over my face, and I'm taking this sponge that I purchased from Five Below. I love this sponge, guys, so awesome. I'm just using that sponge to set that smoothing mist in, and I'm gonna go in with the Black Opal powder foundation. So I'm using my finger to apply the foundation all over my face. Sometimes I like to use a brush, but when I'm using this product right here, I like to go for my fingers, guys. So yeah, so I'm just applying this everywhere, up under my neck, jawline, up under my eyes, my forehead, everywhere as you see here. So I'm taking the Real Technique sponge and just blending everything in. Next up, I'm going in with LA Color Pro Concealer in the color Fun, applying it to my eyelid, prepping my eyes for the eyeshadow, and I'm taking a brush that came with one of my palettes I'm going to be using and just blending that concealer out. Since I'm going for a natural look, I'm going to be taking a mineral powder by Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to take that powder and I'm going to apply that in my crease area. And I'm going to just blend that in my crease really well. I chose using this powder because it's a light color brown, and I didn't want to use a dark brown color for this look, so I just wanted to look more natural, so that's why I went for the powder look. So yeah, just applying this all in my crease as seen here, and I'm just patting that powder right in the crease area. Using a flat brush, I'm taking the color Guild, and it's a beautiful gold color. I'm packing that on right in the center of my eyelid, also dragging that color up into my crease. Okay, I'm taking another brush and I'm grabbing this color called Java out of the palette, and I'm just packing that color right into my outer V, kind of bringing it over into that other color that we placed down already, and also bringing that color up into the crease area as well. I'm going to be taking this color Ballot and putting it right in the inner corner of my eye. Now, if you notice, this color looks similar to the gold color that we placed down. I don't know why it's looking like that, but it's totally a different color, and I'm also just dragging that color up into my crease and just blending it closer to the gold color as well. We have some fallout up on our eyes. We're going to go in with the Neutrogena concealer in the color Pecan, and we're going to correct that, guys. We're going to clean that up. We're going to put it up on our eyes, and we're going to blend it out using a sponge by Real Technique. If you notice me chewing, guys, I'm sorry. I was eating in between the clips. I was hungry. I was eating a pizza. But I'm sorry, guys. But we're going to take the NYX Kohl Pencil eyeliner and line our waterline. And this color is in black. Okay, we're going to take Total Temptation Mascara by Maybelline and applying this all to my lashes. And I'm prepping my eyes for the falsies I'm going to be wearing, which is IEnvy number 14. So the next clip, I'm going to already have my lashes on, as you can see here. So yes, this is IEnvy number 14. Next up, I'm going with Black Radiance setting powder. I'm not baking, I'm just patting that setting powder up under my eyes just to set that concealer that we placed down earlier. When setting your powder, you want to make sure that you pat. You want to make sure you pat that in. It's totally different from baking, guys. So baking is where you just put the powder on, up under your eyes and just let it sit. So I'm not going to let it sit. I hate baking. I don't like baking. So that's why I'm just patting that powder right up under my eyes and down the bridge of my nose, because I do have oily skin. So I do tends to shine a lot right on top of my nose and everything, guys, and right there in my T-zone area. So just make sure you just pat that setting powder into your skin really well. Next up, we're going with True Complexion Contour Palette And I'm gonna be not contouring, guys. I'm just using this contour powder and just applying it all over my face because I'm using it like a setting powder, I should say. So just applying this all over my face because I like the bronze effect that it gives me. So that's why I'm doing it this way. Alright, next up I'm taking Revlon lipstick number 620. Now this is like a pretty rose pink color that I'm applying to my lips, guys. It's so beautiful. I think I used it before in one of my other recent tutorials. So here's the completed look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.